Here we have four variables A, B, C and D. The table has four values. So A, B, C, D are the inputs and Y is the output. Fine. The output Y is a function of four variables A, B, C and D. So I'll subdivide to 1. Fine. So Y is the output. So now I need to write the K-map for this. So now we have four variables. So I need to have 2 to the power 4, that is 16 locations. Fine. So totally I need now 16 locations with me to write the output. So this is Y. So now I have four values. What I'll do is I'll write AB this side and C and D other side. So I'll take values of AB horizontally and values of CD vertically. Fine. So here, how we are doing the four variable K-map. So values of AB might be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Fine. See the order, gray code system. So whenever we are having more than one input, you have to follow gray code system. Fine. If it is single value A or B, something like that, then 0 and 1 we can put. But whenever having combination of values, then I am going with the gray code system, which helps me for simplification of K-map. Now CD values 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So you can make sure that these two are interchanged and the last two in the vertical, those are also interchanged. Right? This you have to write properly, otherwise later whenever you are doing the simplification, your steps will go wrong. Whatever you are solving, it will be in the wrong method. Fine. So these two you have to remember, you need to exchange these two. Fine. Now put the values. So how to put the values now? So this is 0, this is so 5, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Got it? So whichever columns on the rows you have interchanged the values, the midterm values also you need to interchange the positions. Fine. You can see here. So these things, those are not in order. Same way with these things. So that column and that row. You have to take care now. So whenever you are writing a K-map, you have to observe that these two rows and columns, the last two rows and columns of the K-maps are written in the proper order. Right? Now, fill the values. So what you have here? So this is the M0. This is M15. So 0 to 15 total 16. The first is 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever the rest of the values. So here. 12, 13, 14. Fine. Okay. Now start filling those values. So what is M0? So this is the 0th location. For this, what is the values? AB value is 0, 0, CD value is 0, 0. So it is 4 zeros. So 4 zeros means the first row. This is the row. 4 zeros. A, B, C, D, all are zeros. So if I take this, what is the A, B and C, D values? What's the value I need to put inside that? The location which is marked with the star. What is the value I need to fill inside that box? 0 or 1? Yes. So this is the location where you have AB value as 1, 1 and CD value as 1, 1. So AB value for this location is 1, 1 and the CD value for this location is 1, 1. So 1, 1, 1, 1, that is 15. This one. So what is the Y value at 15? That is the 1. So that I need to write inside this. Okay. So what I need to write inside this? So the position value is 9 because AB value at this position is 1, 0 and CD value at this position is 0, 1. That is, this one is 8 and last one is 1. 8, 1 plus 1 is 9. At the ninth position, what I have? In the ninth position, I have 0. So at the place of star, I need to write value 0. Fine. So this is how you are going to fill a K-map. So give me the values now. So first one is 0, then it is 1, then it is 0, then 1. The fourth value is 1, fifth value is 1, sixth minterm is 1, seventh minterm is 1. Eighth one, see, skip the third row, directly go to the eighth position. Eighth position is the last one. Eighth one is 0, ninth one is 0, 10th one is 0, then 11th one is 0. Then go for 12. 12 now here. So 12 is 0, 13 is 0, 14 is 1, 15 is 1. So any doubts with this? So any doubt, anyone is having any doubt with filling the K map, 4 variable K map? So why should we complicate it by interchanging last two? Yes, it is not complicating, actually it is simplifying. Fine. So later in the next step is that one. So next whatever I'm going to teach you is why we need to interchange that. Okay, I'll explain now. Just make sure that you are okay with filling the values. I'll tell why you are doing the interchanging part. Filling the value is fine, right? Finding the locations where I need to fill the values. That is fine, no? Yeah, next part I'll explain why we need to interchange that because I can't go directly to the step Z. Fine? Okay. So now I'll save this for later. Now, see in the K-map simplification, I won't go for the POS method now. Actually, with respect to your PPTs, I need to go for POS method. I won't go for the POS method now because make sure that your SOP is proper now. So whatever you learned with respect to the SOP method, if that is proper, then I can jump to the POS because I don't want to complicate the things now. So I have hidden some this one also so that you won't complicate the things. So in the K map, it is the positions of K map, 3 variable K map, then 4 variable K map, fine. Then entered. Entered also I'll tell later. This one, I'll explain about these things. That is the concept you need to study about K map. Now, after you learning the things about how to place the values in the K map and how to write the format of K map, then we are going for simplification of K map. Fine. In the simplification of K-map, we are just going for grouping the ones. In SOP, remember, in SOP, we need to group the ones to simplify, to get a smaller equation or smaller logic expression. Fine. So here you can see some things. Now, first one is making a pair. So what is a pair? Pair means two things or two elements, two items. So whenever you are having a pair, so I am grouping two things, not two ones. So in SOP, we are focusing only on ones. Fine. So you can see 4 examples are given. How I can do the pairs. See, I can do the pairs something like this. One like pairs in the vertical manner. So 1 and 1 somewhere is there. I can do that. One pair. This makes a pair. Next, this one and one I can make a pair. Here you can see horizontally 1 and 1. So wherever you have a adjacent ones, I can make a pair. Either in the top and bottom way, up and down, or in the adjacent sideways. I can do it. But diagonal it is not possible. If you are doing something like this, there is a 0, 0, but imagine these two are ones. If you are doing something like this one pair, this is wrong. I can't do that. So either like this, otherwise like this, either horizontally or vertically, but not the both, or not the diagonal. Fine. Any one way, either this or this. So this is proper vertical way. This is also proper. So this is horizontal proper. This is also proper. There are four ones. So I can group, first group is like this, the other group is like this. But I can't do a group something like this. The third one is wrong if I am doing like this. Fine, I can't group it something like that. Fine, this is about doing a pair. Okay. Then, so one more way is there that I'll explain in the this one. So if I have something like this, I'll do one thing. So I'll draw. So this is the four variable K map. Imagine some values. So some y or something is there. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, some zeros, 0, 0, 1. So imagine this is your K map. Here I need pairs. Pair means two elements in that. Fine. So how to do this? So if your I'm little thicker, these two I can make a pair. Fine, very simple. Fine. You have seen that in that slide it was there. Vertically I can do the pair. So here I can't do this one. I can't do this one. The problem is this makes three elements. In between one zero is there. I can't do it. It should be adjacent. So I can't do that. So one more. So here I'll explain them, but I want to explain what rolling the map. So that is one concept. Fine. See, you have seen that world map. So you are having the world map something like this. Something like this will be there whenever you are having a chart of a world map. Why? Why this kind of world map they will give? Why it is not a square kind of inside that whatever your Africa, your India or whatever you have, no? Something like this will be there. Some Australia will be there. Then again, North America, South America, whatever. The graph will be something like this. Why? What is the reason why that map will be something like this? Why they are not giving a actual rectangular shape map? This is the border, and my map is something like this. Why they are not giving a map something like this? They're going for the first one. They are not going for the second one. Why? Why the world map is always the first one? Why not the second one? Any idea? Yes, correct. Latesh got the point. The rolling purpose. Because this, whenever you're rolling, and you will get a globe, whatever you will see, round shape. Because this map, I want to roll something like this. Then it will, this is the Antarctica, Arctic, all those things and all. Then world map, something. They want to roll that map. Fine. So that time, this side, whatever Australia is there, that is near for people near this, whoever is having what is that, North South America. for Australia to reach Australia, like don't need to travel like this. They can travel this side also, or the other side also. It is easy for them to travel. Something like the same effect we are using here. So the map I need to roll, so they are giving that kind of effect. Same ways I can roll this K map also. So the elements what are there in this side, sorry, the elements which are there this side, these people are adjacent to this side. Fine? Because if I roll that, if I write that in a circular manner, if I write this in a circular shape, something like this, if I roll that, the back side, if I roll and if I connect these 2 points, this is the X and this is the Y. If I roll this K map and if I meet those or XY are connected, then these sides which are marked with red, those will be adjacent. Similarly, for the other sides also. So sides which are like having green, these are adjacent sides. If you are rolling the map in the whatever call these sides, the green will be green sides are adjacent and the red, whichever is painted red, these are adjacent sides. If you roll this map, fine. Any doubts with this rolling effect? So I can roll this map. Imagine that you have written all this in a cloth or paper, and the paper you can turn, you can make it a round shape, right? If you take a A4 sheet, so you can roll the paper so that the, which is written in the left side, left end corner and the right corner, those things will come together in the other side. Fine. Same. I'll see whether any examples are available. Okay. All are written examples. Those are not useful for you. So here you can see. Can you see this? The rolling effect they are given. The table, what is there in the square shape or rectangular shape, they rolled it. Now in the circular manner. Now this, sorry. So this side and this one, these two columns will come together. You can see here 0 and 0 and 1 0. Those are the last two columns. This column and the last column. Those will come together whenever you are rolling in the other side. So can you understand from this? It is enough, right? Rolling effect. You can imagine rolling effect. Sideways you are rolling the K map. So that time these two points are coming together. Okay, let's see the things from this. Okay, now, so now I need to group the thing. So what rolling effect I can effect, means right here, means using the rolling effect, which one I can make a pair? See, I'll apply the rolling effect. With respect to the rolling effect, this and this, these two can be a pair. If I roll this horizontally, this one and this one will be together. It will make a pair. Any other rolling effect is there? Yes. If I'm rolling this map vertically, then this and this one will be the pair. Don't consider this now. Just imagine the last one and the top one. Can we do this? Yes, it is possible. Fine. So how many pairs are there together? So we have three pairs. So first one is this, second one is this, and the third one is this. And this is a single one. I can't do any direct pairing or the rolling pair by rolling effect. Nothing. That is one single one is there. I can't do anything with that. So that is a single term. And this is how we are making the pairs. So three pairs and one single term at the end. Single one. Understood the pairs? Okay, I guess this is enough for now. So afternoon we have the sessions. That time I'll go with the remaining things. Okay. Okay, fine. Then you can leave the session. The afternoon. Okay, fine. All are saying thank you just to mark your attendance award. I have a doubt now.